Hello, myself Tanmay bagaria from group 318. Today we will discuss about physics of nerve impulses. The physics of nerve impulses are action potential involve the movement of ions across the cell membranes of neurons, creating an electric signals. Here are some breakdowns of the key concept of physics of nerve impulses. The first are resting potential, second is depolarization, third is propagations of action potential, and fourth is depolarization, and the last one is return to resting stage. Now first we will discuss about resting potentials. The resting potential is a process in which neurons maintain a resting membrane potentials of about negative 70 MV. These negative charges inside the neurons is due to distributions of ions, particularly sodium and potassium ions. The cell membrane is selectively permeable and ion pump, example NaK plus pump, actively move ions to maintain the resting state by moving 3 Na plus ion out and 2 K plus ions in. The second one is depolarizations. In depolarizations, when a neurons receive a sufficient stimulate, voltage gated sodium channels open, allowing sodium ions to rush into the cell. This causes a rapid change in membrane potentials, making the inside of neurons more positive, about positive 30 to positive 40 MV, a process known as depolarizations. The movement of sodium ions is driven by both the concentration gradient and the electric field across the membrane. Now the third one is propagation of action potential. The initial depolarizations cause a adjacent voltage gated sodium channel to open propagations the action potential along the axons. The speed of transmissions can enhance by myelinations where the impulse jump between the nodes of revenues, gap between the myelin sheaths, a process called saltatory conditions. The next step is repolarizations. In repolarizations, after the peak of action potential, sodium channel close and the voltage gated K plus channels open. K plus ions move out of the cell, restoring the negative membrane potential in a process called repolarizations. This is followed by a brief hyperpolarizations where the potential temporarily dip below the resting levels due to excess K plus leave the cells. The fifth is return to resting stage. The sodium potassium pump help restore ion balance by moving Na plus out and K plus back into the cell, returning the membrane to its resting potentials.